I just have one short thing more to talk about, and it's this whole thing about multiculturalism, or as I saw um, in the actual books of a student sitting beside me on a bus journey during the summer. Um, Basically, a young Irish girl. She had on the book. It said I'm sure she was studying something like sociology or something like that, but it said intercultural, you know. And this is a word I see now being used um, in conjunction or in replacement for the word multiculturalism. Um, so this makes no sense at all because the whole idea of a culture, right, is in a one geographical location. The culture is for everybody to have a feeling of belonging. The culture, the one culture. You understand? So that's the idea of one culture, is that all the people in that area share that culture. And I know all the crazy lefty heads say there's no such thing as borders. You know, that in the best utopia in the future, there should be no borders. Borders are man made, they're in human minds. This is what we're told by crazy lefties. Here's the thing, right? Are you crazy lefty? So, thing is, right? Borders define the belief systems and the perspective of a race of people, because culture comes from race, it comes from biology, it comes from a unified biology of people within a single geographical location. And that's what gives rise to culture. That's why you have different cultures of different ethnicities and races around the world. And it's due to environment and happenstance as well, of course. But it's the particular hue of expression of a genetic organism, a group of similar genetic organisms, people in one area, gives rise to a culture. Now, the whole idea that you can have many different cultures in the one geographical location area makes no sense then when you understand that. So the idea you can have intercultural in one small area, that's like every individual person having a different culture. It doesn't make sense. You see? It's craziness. It's absolute craziness. It doesn't make sense. It's contradictory. The idea contradicts itself. Culture is supposed to be about everybody agreeing on how to live in one geographical location. That's what creates harmony and peace. So to have multiculturalism and interculturalism in one geographical location contradicts that. You see? It's a contradiction.